Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a useful feature of the Messenger app that can help you easily keep track of all the links shared in your chats. Whether you're exchanging important documents, sharing videos, or sending articles, knowing how to access these shared links can be a real time saver. So let's get started with our updated guide on how to view all shared links on Messenger chats. First things first, grab your Android device and locate the Messenger app. Once you have it open, it's time to find the contact whose shared links you want to view. Scroll through your conversations and tap on their chat to open it. Now that you're in the chat, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see the contact's name displayed there. Go ahead and tap on their name to access more options. This will give you a specific menu for that contact, making it easier to manage your conversation. Next, look for the option that says View Media, File, and Links. By tapping on this, you're on your way to finding all the links that have been shared within your conversations, in addition to media files and other attachments. Finally, select Files. This option will pull up all the shared links, giving you a clear view of everything exchanged in your chat. Whether it's an important document or a funny meme, now you can easily find it all in one place. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly view all the shared links on Messenger chat, making your chatting experience smoother and more organized. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.